Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to week 3. You are being recorded. Don't forget to turn your cameras on, mute your microphones, participate, and have fun. You're going to need a pencil and paper today. We are still talking about the steady beat, but we're also going to talk about a new word today called rhythm. Your I can statements are I can sing to, move to, and perform a steady beat. And I can read and draw tie. So let's go. I need you to find some personal space and let's get started with our movement.
Young people, if you like to dance, you gonna love this one. Phonics man, let's go.
Don't move. Freeze means don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Freeze means don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Freeze means don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. When I say freeze, please don't move. Let's go.
Floss, 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 floss. Now
Means don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze, please don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze, please don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. When I say freeze, please don't move. Let's go.
Now Harlem shake, Harlem shake, now 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 Harlem shake. Now Harlem shake, 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 Harlem shake. Now do the walk, do the walk, now do the walk, now do the walk, now do the walk, do the walk, now do the walk. Now walk, 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 walk. Now run in man, run in man, now 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 run in man. Now run a man, 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 run a man.
Freeze, freeze, don't move, don't move. Freeze means don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze, please don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze means don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. When I say freeze, please don't move. Let's go.
Now Harlem shake, Harlem shake, now Harlem shake, 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 Harlem shake. Walk, 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 walk. Run a man, 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 run a
Now
man.
freeze, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze means don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze, please don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Freeze means don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. When I say freeze, please don't move. Stay frozen. Let's go.
Floss, 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 floss. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, 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 dance.
So far, we have been talking about the beat, which is the heartbeat of music or a steady pulse. We've learned that ta is the music note that represents the beat. And last week, we also learned that when we put ta and TITI together, we get something called rhythm. So let's practice a little bit of reading our music notes. We are going to start with ta. And when we see this, we say TITI. So when I read it, it goes like this. TITI, 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 TITI. Can you read that with me? Ready, go. TITI, 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 TITI. Very good. Now clap it with me. Ready, go. TITI, 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 TITI. Now let's read the heartbeats with TT. And now let's clap it. And now let's mix our music notes. Remember, when we mix our music notes, we have something called rhythm. And rhythm is long and short sounds. If I was reading this page, I would read it like this. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Now you try it with me. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti. Very good. Now let's try it with the heartbeats. Great job, everybody. Now I think you're ready to read something more. All right, boys and girls, let's play a little game. You have been learning about the beat. You've been learning about rhythm too, but I want to know if you can look at these characters and determine which one is bouncing correctly to the beat. Let's see how fast you can figure it out. I am going to start with track 1, clap to the beat, and it'll help you figure it out. Here we go. Which one is bouncing correctly? Did you guess right? All right. Let's try track 2. I wonder which one is it? Is it this one or is it this one? Did you get it right? Good job. If you didn't get it right, it's okay. We're going to keep practicing until you get it. Don't forget, if you clap along with the beat, it will help you figure out which one is doing it right. Here's another one.
Try bouncing on a trampoline with a plate of beans and bread. Make sure you
All right.
the food
Is it this one?
or it'll end
Or is it this one? This one or this one? Did you get that one right? You're doing an amazing job. All right, let's do one more. All right. Is it this one or is it this one? Did you get it right? I knew you would. Good job, everybody. All right, boys and girls, it's time for our song again, In the Woods. This time, I want you to sing it with some other kids. Here we go.
Oh, in the woods, there was a tree, the prettiest little tree that you ever did see. The tree was in the hole, and the holes in the ground, and the green grass grew all around and around, and the green grass grew all around. Now on that tree, there was a branch, the prettiest little branch that you ever did see. The branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the holes in the ground, and the green grass grew all around and around, and the green grass grew all around. Now on that branch, there was a nest, the prettiest little nest that you ever did see. The nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the holes in the ground, and the green grass grew all around and around, and the green grass grew all around. Now in that nest, there was an egg, the prettiest little egg that you ever did see. The egg was in the nest, and the nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around and around, green grass grew all around. Now on that egg, there was a bird, the prettiest little bird that you ever did see. The bird was on the egg, and the egg was in the nest, and the nest was on the branch, and the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole, and the hole was in the ground, and the green grass grew all around and around, green grass grew all around. Now on that bird, there was a wing, the prettiest little wing that you ever did see. The wing was on the bird, and the bird was on the egg was in the nest, and the nest was on the branch was on the tree, and the tree was in the hole was in the ground.
Boys and girls, we have not sung our SOAR song all year. If you were here with me last year, you already know this song. If you were not here with me last year, it's okay. It's so easy to get. You'll get it so quick. So even if you know this, so we can make sure that all the students who were not with me last year learn it. Can everybody repeat after me this first time? And then we'll sing it all together. Okay? So it goes like this. Me first, then you. At Parker Elementary, we saw. At Parker Elementary, we saw. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we saw. So notice, I didn't do it at the beginning, but every time we say the word soar, I want you to act like you're shooting a basketball or something. It don't matter which way you turn. You can go to the side or to the front. It don't matter. Just act like you're soaring with a basketball shot. Okay? So here we go. Again. Me first and you. At Parker Elementary, we soared. At Parker Elementary, we soared. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we soared. Great job. Now watch me put it all together. It goes like this. At Parker Elementary, we soared. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Try it with me. At Parker Elementary, we soar. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Got it? All right, next part. The next part is just you repeating after me. Got it? Goes like this. Me first and you. Parkland Eagles show respect. Opportunity to learn. Accept responsibility. Reach to succeed. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Come on. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Come on. At Parker Elementary, we soar. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Everywhere we go, we want you to know. At Parker Elementary, we soar. Then on the last part, we're just going to spell out the word soar like this. S-O-A-R, soar. S-O-A-R, soar. Come on. S-O-A-R, soar. S-O-A-R, soar. Louder. S-O-A-R, soar. S-O-A-R, soar. S-O-A-R, soar. At Parker Elementary, we soar. You got it? We'll practice a little bit more another time. Good job, everybody. Great job, boys and girls. Now you're going to need your pencil and paper because we are going to practice drawing some music notes right quick. The first one that we're going to try is the quarter note, which is ta. Here are your steps. First, you're going to draw a circle. Go ahead and draw a circle. Awesome. And then you're going to draw a line or a stem. Stem is what is called in music. You're going to draw that stem on the side of your circle. Just like my picture. And then after you've drawn your circle and your stem, you're going to color it in. That is what tie looks like. Now I want you to draw 4 in a row, just like my picture, and then hold it up so I can see. Again, awesome job, everybody. Now let's practice drawing TITI. TITI, remember, are our eighth notes. Your steps are, first, you're going to draw Ta. Remember, you just drew Ta, so you're going to draw Ta as your first step. And then you're going to draw Ta again. Make sure both of your Tas look alike. Make sure the stem is on the right side. And then you're going to connect them with a line going across. Now you have TITI, or you have our eighth notes. Can you draw two of those in a row? When you finish, let me see. We are almost done with our lesson today. You have done an amazing job. The only thing left to do now is to complete the week 3 steady beats and rhythm form. You're probably going to need your parents to help you with this. Parents, these forms can be found in the assignments tab on our music teams page. You will see the links for a video and the form to go with it for each week when we have a lesson. This week should be available to you by the end of the day. Please make sure your child has completed weeks 1, 2, and 3 by the end of the week. And boys and girls, again, you have done such an amazing job. Air hug to you.